Merry Christmas. Yes, even though Christmas is about celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ, the Son of God, and how He has come to give His life to us, for us to come to the knowledge of God. And through Him, we have access to God. Through Him, many sons are in God's glory. Celebrating isn't about grand occasions. It's not just about the grand occasions, it's about recognizing the small victories and the moments of positivity. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the health importance of celebrating. The health importance of celebrating, why you should be celebrating. So what does it mean to celebrate? To celebrate means to acknowledge, to honor a special occasion, achievement, or moment of joy with an expression of happiness or gratitude. And there are many reasons why you should be celebrating. In this video, I'm sharing with you 15 health benefits of celebrating, why you should be celebrating. Let's dive in. One is that celebrating helps to boost your emotional well-being. Celebration releases the feel-good hormones like dopamine, serotonin, which help to improve your mood, and this helps to reduce stress significantly. Second point is celebrating helps to strengthen your relationships. We are all a product of relationships, and we are as healthy as our relationships. So sharing joyful moments with loved ones enhances the bonds and fosters a sense of belonging. Next, which is similar to the first point, is that celebrating helps to reduce stress. Yes, that is because celebratory activities can act as a mental break. Yes, for example, many people are on the holidays right now, Christmas break, New Year break, and celebrations everywhere. So this helps to reduce anxiety and the stress hormone, the cortisol levels. Fourth point is this: celebrating helps to encourage gratitude. Your attitude must be that of gratitude, and recognizing accomplishments, no matter how small, or milestones, cultivates a mindset of gratitude, promoting overall happiness. Next is that it improves heart health. Joyful events and laughter improves blood flow. Your heart gets to engage more in activities and reduces the risk of a heart disease. Next is it boosts immune system. Positivity and joy from the celebrations that we engage in help to enhance our immune function. This makes you less prone to illness. Seventh point is that celebrating helps to increase your energy levels. You're engaged in different plannings, different activities. This helps to boost your enthusiasm and energy, fueling motivation for even future endeavors. Next, celebrations help to promote mindfulness. Yes, because acknowledging and savoring special moments helps you to stay present and mindful. Next, it reinforces positivity. Focusing on achievements and good times helps cultivate a positive outlook on life, and you need to have that outlook on life. Next, it encourages creativity. Celebrations often inspire new ideas, perspectives, and problem-solving approaches. 11th point is that when you celebrate, it helps to improve your social skills. Attending or hosting celebrations improves communication, empathy, and social connections. Next, it supports mental health. Celebrations counter feelings of isolation, loneliness, and depression. This now fosters mental resilience. Three more points, and before I share with you the remaining 3 points, remember to subscribe to this channel. If you like what you are watching, then click on the like button and you will definitely be getting notifications when I upload videos or when I come up live. Thank you for subscribing. Next is it increases productivity. Celebrations help to make achievements that can motivate you to set and achieve new goals. As you take time to celebrate setting goals and you're achieving them. Next, celebrations help to build memories. Memories are important, and when you celebrate, you're creating lasting memories which contribute to a richer and a more fulfilling life. And finally, it enhances longevity. Studies have actually shown that positive emotions and social connections linked to celebration can extend lifespan. Why not celebrate today? And there are many things that you can celebrate. You can celebrate your health, the fact that you are well and alive, you have good health is something to celebrate. Celebrate your family, celebrate your friends, celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Are you a content creator, YouTuber? Then have you hit 500 subscribers? Why don't you celebrate that? Have you hit the 1000 subscriber milestone? Why don't you celebrate that? Is it the 20,000 or even the 2 million subscriber count? Celebrate. And this is a very healthy thing to do. Next, you should celebrate the opportunities that you have, opportunity to learn, to grow, and to improve yourself. Another is that you can celebrate the lessons that you have learned. Have you learned some lessons this year? Then you should celebrate that. You can celebrate nature, the gift of God, the flowers, the waterfalls, and all that God has created. You can celebrate, culture, religious traditions. Then you should celebrate this. You should also celebrate the love and relationships that you have. You can celebrate the freedom and the independence that you enjoy. Finally, live this present moment. Enjoy this life. You have the gift of life and it's worth celebrating. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. By the way, Merry Christmas. And remember to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Bye for now. So, why should we be celebrating? Yes, we celebrate the fact that Jesus has died for us, for the sins of the world, and helped to reconcile men back to God.